Greetings, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the captivating stories that have shaped our journey beyond Earth. Today, we have a real treat for you, a story of unexpected friendship, collaboration, and a surprise twist that you won't want to miss. Before we delve into the topic, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos. Buckle up as we dive into the remarkable tale of the Apollo-Soyuz Test Project, a groundbreaking moment of space cooperation right in the heart of the Cold War. It's the 1970s, the height of the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union. Tensions are high, and both superpowers are locked in a battle for ideological supremacy. But amid this intense rivalry, a unique and daring mission was about to unfold. Now, here comes the twist, folks. Imagine the surprise when these two rivals decided to put their differences aside and embark on a joint space mission. Yes, you heard that right. In 1975, NASA and the Soviet Space Agency, Roscosmos, joined forces for the Apollo-Soyuz Test Project. A mission that would not only test the limits of space technology but also lay the foundation for future international cooperation in space. The mission's primary goal was to demonstrate rendezvous and docking techniques between the American Apollo spacecraft and the Soviet Soyuz spacecraft. This was a significant step towards potential joint space missions in the future, and it required meticulous planning and coordination. Now, picture this, two spacecraft from vastly different space programs, each with its own design, language, and culture, coming together in the vacuum of space. It's like a cosmic dance of technology and diplomacy. On July 17, 1975, the Apollo spacecraft, with a crew of 3 American astronauts, and the Soyuz spacecraft, with 2 Soviet cosmonauts on board, successfully docked in space. It was a moment of triumph, a testament to human ingenuity, and a giant leap in the quest for peaceful cooperation beyond our planet. But wait, there's more. As the world watched this historic event unfold, there was an unexpected surprise waiting for the crew members. In a heartwarming gesture, the astronauts and cosmonauts exchanged gifts, shared meals, and even conducted joint scientific experiments. This spontaneous camaraderie between former adversaries captured the imagination of people worldwide and showcased the potential for unity even in the midst of geopolitical tensions. So, what did the Apollo-Soyuz Test Project teach us? It taught us that space exploration has the power to transcend politics, that the stars can bring us together when we least expect it. It laid the groundwork for future international collaborations, such as the International Space Station, which stands as a symbol of unity and scientific progress. As we look back on this historic mission, let's remember the bravery and vision of those who dared to bridge the divide of the Cold War, reminding us that space truly knows no boundaries. And there you have it, the captivating story of the Apollo-Soyuz Test Project, a surprising twist in the pages of space history that continues to inspire us today. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share with your fellow space enthusiasts. Until next time, keep looking up, because who knows what other incredible stories the universe has in store for us? Stay curious and keep exploring.